All right, guys. Welcome back to Holland Dove Travel Updates. All right, where we give you legit information and updates that can help you when you are making your plans to travel abroad. All right. If you can remember vividly, I promised you guys in one of my videos that I will be bringing you details how to apply for admissions in Italy because most of you find it difficult to make this research. All right, and that is the reason why I deem it to make the research step by step. The process is everything you need to know regarding both the form, both the application, everything, including your visa, even when you arrive in Italy. All right. I do tell you guys, I don't want to do it for you. I want you to do it so that you know what you're doing. All right. Not as if I can't do it. I can do it for you, but also I don't have time for myself because I'm so much occupied. And that is the reason why most cases I don't respond to some questions that are not important because some of you does just come, to ask unreasonable questions. Some of you can't even make research. Sometimes when someone brings information for you, what you have to do, you also do your own due diligence research. Do you understand? You do your due diligence research in order to verify what the person is saying and know how to go about that particular information. They call it information. All right. Information is just to let you know, for you to be aware. Do you understand? So that is the reason why when you get such information, then you develop it by yourself. You make more research. Probably you can know more things which the person did not mention probably in his or her videos. All right. In this case, I just want to take you straight to the application, the process, how you need to do it step by step. If you check out my background, you will see all those details. All right. And I'm also going to place all these details after when I finish talking. I will place it so that you go through it one after the other, step by step, what you need to, the question that is even in your own memory that you want to ask. I will post everything so that you gather your document. And by the way, at this point of the time, at this month of the year, if you have not really gathered your document, that means you are not really serious. Do you understand? Because if you be planning to school in abroad or to travel, you have not gathered your documents because what we are talking about is admission for 2026 section. If you have not gathered your document up to this moment and you have not prepared yourself, that means you are not yet ready. That means 2026 will also pass you by. So in order, for those of you who are already have your document that has already prepared, what you need to do at this point, make use of this information because I used to tell you guys that Italy remains one of the cheapest place in Europe. Also one of the cheapest place you can get admission. I used to tell you guys that there you can get schools ranging from 300, 500 to 1,000. All right. And now I'm bringing you the step-by-step processes that you need to go in order to get admission in Italy. Do you understand? And also the step-by-step how to apply for your visa, what document and the requirements they need for you to apply for your visa. Both the school requirements, both for your admission and for your visa requirements. All right. So I deem it fit to make this research to bring for some of you who cannot probably research for all this information. That is the reason why I'm bringing it. I don't want in a situation whereby you start stressing yourself, embossing me, because some of you, even when I bring the information, you still want me to do it for you. So if you cannot apply for these things by yourself, what shows that you are capable for that study you are going there to do? When you do it by yourself, if you go for the interview, because that's what's interesting most of these consulates, when you come as a student, when you come for interview as a student, they would like to know more things. They would like you to elaborate. They would like you to explain as someone who have an idea what he's going there to do. And that is the reason why most people's visa are being rejected. Because of what? Because they do not elaborate. They do not explain. They do not convince the consulate, their interviewer, what they are going there to do. Another thing they want to hear from you. What is your plan after when you must have graduated? In your interview, they want to know what is your own plan. Do you plan to stay back in your country? Some of you does go to this interview. You say, yeah, after your studies that you want to get to work and start working. No, that is a very wrong. They want you to develop yourself, then come back to your own country. Use the knowledge, what you acquired there, to develop your own country. Do you understand what I'm saying? So these are the things that you need to know in this video because everything is well explained. All right. I repeat myself again, starting from the form, what you need to get in any of the universities in Italy. All right. This one is specifically for Italy. Then go into your visa application, the requirements and how to apply, what you need to pay, everything regarding application, study application process, including your visa, is in this video. Watch to the end of it, and then I will post the processes which I researched at the end so that you see what you need to do, how you need to do it, and when to submit your application. I still remember myself, King of Updates. I hope this one can help someone out there. All right. I want to see more testimony, more winnings from you guys. And I will see you in my next video.